Let's make some hearty Ghormeh Sabzi with fragrant Persian saffron rice using Tilda Pure Basmati. Start by sprinkling the ground saffron over the ice cubes in a glass and set them aside to melt. Then peel and finely chop the onions, garlic, chives, and parsley. Combine the chopped herbs in a bowl. Sear the meat in hot vegetable oil until golden brown all around. Gently caramelize the onions in the same oil for about 15 minutes. Add the garlic and let both saute together for another 3 minutes. Fry the herbs in vegetable oil for about 15 minutes until they turn dark green. Add the dried fenugreek toward the last 2 minutes. Transfer the meat, onions, and garlic to a pot or pan with a lid. Add the turmeric, black pepper, fried herbs, and dried soaked kidney beans. Add the pierced dried limes to the other ingredients, followed by half a liter of freshly boiled water. Season with salt and let the Ghormeh Sabzi simmer gently for about 1.5 hours. Half an hour later, it's time to prepare the rice. Transfer it to a bowl or a strainer and wash it until the water runs almost clear. Bring a pot of water to a boil and dissolve 2 tablespoons of salt in it. Transfer the washed rice to it and bring the water back to boiling as soon as possible. Let the rice parboil for 3 minutes, then drain the cooking water and rinse it with cool water. Combine a small portion of parboiled rice with a few teaspoons of saffron water until it is evenly yellow. Add enough vegetable oil to cover the bottom of the non-stick pot. Place it over medium heat. Transfer the saffron rice in an even layer to the bottom of the pot. Then add the remaining parboiled rice on top. Poke 3 holes halfway through the rice with the back of a spoon. Cover the lid with a clean kitchen towel and close it firmly. Reduce the temperature to low and let the rice steam for 45 minutes without taking off the lid. Once the rice is steamed, remove the lid and replace it with an upside-down plate. Carefully flip it over. Remove the crispy tahdig and serve it separately. Combine another small portion of the rice with the remaining saffron water. Plate up the fluffy white rice and arrange the golden saffron rice on top. In the end, season the Ghormeh Sabzi with the juice of 1 lemon. Enjoy this flavorful lemon herb stew with dried limes with aromatic Persian saffron rice.